Here's how to deploy an Ethereum dedicated node on Instanodes in just a few steps. Sign in to your Instanodes account using Google or your preferred authentication method. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll have access to all the infrastructure services available on the platform. To deploy a dedicated node, navigate to Dedicated Nodes, then click Buy to begin the deployment process. Select Ethereum Mainnet or Sepolia testnet from the list of supported networks. Then choose the plan that best fits your requirements and proceed to checkout. Enter your billing information, complete the payment, and click Checkout. Instanodes immediately begins provisioning your dedicated infrastructure. Once the deployment is complete, click Continue to Dedicated, then select Manage Plan to view your newly deployed node. You can now copy your Ethereum node endpoint and use it to connect your wallets, dApps, backends, or developer tools. You can also access all your active deployments from the panel on the right side of the dashboard. Your Ethereum dedicated node is now live. Visit instanodes.io to deploy yours today.